Number 1. Grundfos Scalar 2. Now, let's delve into the Scalar 2, a versatile solution that offers impressive performance. This compact yet powerful pump is highly effective for extracting groundwater with the capability to lift water up to 45 meters. Furthermore, it operates smoothly thanks to its automatic regulation, and its noise level is modest, registering at approximately 47 decibels, which is comparable to the noise level of an air conditioner. The pricing is quite reasonable, standing at around $620. We're curious about how well this pump complements the sprinkler system, which is particularly efficient for irrigating rectangular or square areas. It boasts a watering range of 18 meters and provides coverage for up to 216 square meters, which is undeniably impressive. Each individual sprinkler can be obtained for $36. Number 2. Inhel Venturo 18210. With the arrival of autumn in specific regions, it's essential to think about tidying up fallen leaves. Fortunately, a German company offers a solution that both blows and vacuums leaves effortlessly. This product is lightweight, weighing in at just 3 kilograms, operates on battery power, and includes a built-in shredder. It boasts an impressive airspeed of 210 kilometers per hour, and with the addition of wheels and a belt, you won't experience any back strain, even on uneven terrain. The cost for this device, excluding the battery and charger, is $165. Number 3. Backpack Fogger Machine. Equip yourself with this adaptable gardening partner, ready to address various tasks. Whether it's dealing with mold issues at home, effortlessly applying pesticides in your garden, or tackling mosquito problems, this device makes it a breeze. Its adjustable mist, ranging from 20 to 50 microns, precisely targets the task at hand, all thanks to its dependable 1200-watt motor that extends your reach up to 4.6 meters. Additionally, the robust straps ensure comfort even when carrying a full 15-liter refill. You can secure this backpack for just $230. Number 4. Electrocup F3015. Over the past 4 decades, the dedicated team of engineers at Infaco, a French company, has been incredibly productive. They've meticulously crafted, manufactured, and distributed more than 400,000 pruning shears, which would suffice for the entire population of Barbados with some spares to spare. These French pruning shears have also gained popularity among professionals, and one of their standout features is their adaptability for various tasks. You can effortlessly switch out the blades in a matter of minutes, and they are capable of cutting branches up to 55 millimeters thick, even in challenging environments like walnut and olive groves. However, it's worth noting that this upgrade comes at a somewhat higher price point, priced at $290. Number 5. Yageo IT 86840. Wave goodbye to the struggle of dealing with weeds while stooping or kneeling, thanks to this efficient tool that gets the job done for just $36. No additional batteries or accessories required. Constructed from lightweight aluminum, it tips the scales at approximately 1 kilogram, offering both sturdiness and longevity. Using it is a breeze. Simply position it on the ground, step on it to engage with the weeds, and effortlessly remove them. It's an easy and comfortable process, aided by the soft foam inserts and a convenient length of around 1 meter. Number 6. ET 1000. Let's kick off our choice with this specialized device, tailored for the fields of viticulture and forestry. This electric tying machine, designed for experts in these industries, has the potential to become popular in France. France boasts an impressive 797,000 hectares of vineyards as of 2020, second only to Spain. This tool is engineered for durability, capable of handling up to 8,000 ties on a single charge. Furthermore, it is remarkably lightweight at just 615 grams, excluding the battery. Maintenance is hassle-free, it provides a comfortable grip, and offers a generous wire reel capacity. Look out for its release in stores later this year. Number 7. Works Landroid Vision. The inventors of this black and orange robot assert that unlike other robotic lawnmowers, it possesses a superior level of intelligence. They highlight its exceptional feature right away. It utilizes artificial intelligence for grass cutting and obstacle detection. This robot comes pre-trained, requiring nothing more than a simple button push to get it started while you relax. In its entirety, these robotic mowers have managed to mow an impressive 12,600 hectares and cover a staggering 426 million kilometers, which is greater than the distance from Earth to Mars. Although it comes with a substantial price tag, starting at $1,000, it offers the advantage of effortlessly mowing an area of up to 506 square meters. You can connect it to your phone using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, or make use of PowerShare batteries that are compatible with over 75 different tools. Number 8. Sunny Forcing Clutches. According to the seller of these protective clutches, few things are more disheartening than watching the seedlings you've carefully nurtured indoors for weeks get washed away by the first heavy rain. These clutches are a straightforward solution, comprising a polypropylene frame and a plastic vent ring. However, their benefits are substantial as they can shield many plants from rain and even withstand strong winds when you use specific staples for added security. There are various designs available to choose from. For instance, the bucket-shaped version is priced at $55 for a set of 3, while the one resembling a refrigerator shelf is available at $40 for a set of 3. Number 9. Gardena Micro Drip System. If your pumpkins and other garden plants aren't thriving, it could be due to insufficient water. While it might sound straightforward, consider this. Cucumbers consist of roughly 97% water, and tomatoes contain about 95%. To address this issue, Gardena, a leading gardening company from Germany, recommends giving drip irrigation a try. This method proves valuable for nurturing indoor seedlings and caring for garden plants. For example, they offer a kit tailored for 15 plants, suitable for use in pots, and easily expandable to accommodate various water requirements. The approximate cost for this solution is $45. Number 10. Caval Wassercycler. A few years ago, the United Nations identified a global issue. More than 900 million tons of food are discarded annually. That's a substantial amount. The creators of this composting device had a brilliant idea. Why waste when you can recycle? You simply load in food leftovers, fruit and vegetable peels, fish bones, and even coffee grounds, and the machine produces compost. This composter offers 9 different modes, with the quickest one capable of pre-composting 500 milliliters of waste in just 2 hours, making it ideal for a 3-person family. It's also dishwasher safe, and thanks to its deodorizing system, unpleasant odors are a thing of the past. The price for this solution is set at $270.